Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video is actually in partnership with Banish Acne Scars to show you their brand new Banisher 2.0. I'm going to be showing a full review and demo of their new starter kit with the new Banisher. So let's get started with this video. They reached out to me because I did a video with them a little while ago when I had more cystic acne. Right now I just have a few breakouts, but they're not really cystic or anything. So yeah, I did a video with them when I was really struggling with my acne, and I really had a lot of success with their whole regimen, their starter kit and their Banisher and everything, and I will show on the screen my results here. Obviously I still have the acne in those photos, but the acne scars went away a lot. So I'm so excited when they reached out again to me and were like, you know, hey, we're coming out with this new Banisher, the Banisher 2.0. This is what the Banisher looks like. It's so awesome. It's new and improved, and like they wanted to work with me, and I was really excited to do so because now that I don't have as much acne, I really want to try and fight this scarring, especially like right here on my cheeks. That's my problem area. So they sent me the whole new starter kit and the new Banisher, and I'm going to be showing you, how I use it and everything like that. One of the best parts about Banish is that they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like the product, if it doesn't work for you in 30 days, then you can return it and get your money back, which is so amazing because it is a little bit pricey, but trust me, getting rid of your acne scars is so worth it, and I think everybody should try this if they have acne scars. Okay, so just a little bit about Banish. Banish was started by Daisy, and she has been suffering with acne, or had been since about 3rd grade, and it was really difficult for her. She tried everything, and she really started focusing on organic products. She heard from a doctor how to use this cosmetics tool and a vitamin C serum to help get rid of the acne scars instead of going under like a laser in a doctor's office and stuff like that, something that's super expensive and is really invasive. So yeah, she just wanted to share her success with other people. So this really worked for her, and she wanted to share it with everyone else. And basically the rest is history. Banish was started, and yeah, that's how it all came about. One of my favorite things about Banish is that all the products are super natural. Like, okay, where is it? The pumpkin enzyme mask is one of my favorites, and it's an exfoliating mask. This is part of the starter kit, and it literally looks like pumpkin. Like, it smells like pumpkin because it has pumpkin in it, which is so amazing to me. They're super natural, really good for your skin. They're cruelty-free, vegan, all that kind of stuff, so they're not gonna harm your skin at all. That's one of my favorite things about all these products. Let's go into the starter kit, I guess. So the starter kit comes with the pumpkin enzyme mask, the activated charcoal clay mask, the Banish oil, the vitamin C beauty elixir, and then of course the Banisher. So you can use all of these in conjunction with each other. The masks you use a few times a week. So basically the clay mask is a powder like this that you mix with equal parts of water or your favorite liquid of some sort. You could use witch hazel or whatever you would like, but water works just fine, and you mix it all together, and then you apply it on the face and wait for it to dry, and then you wash it off, and your skin like really gets out all those toxins and impurities. It helps pull out all the gunk out of your face. So I would suggest using that like once, maybe twice a week, and then also on a different day, use the pumpkin enzyme mask. And this is really gonna help exfoliate the skin, get those dead layers of skin off of the face so that they're not gonna clog your pores or anything. So this charcoal one really helps draw them out, and then the pumpkin one helps exfoliate. So this one's really simple to put on. All you do is scoop out a little bit of this and apply it to the face. It does feel a little bit tingly at first, but that's just because it's exfoliating that layer of skin off. So I don't really think it burns or anything like that, but it is like a little tingly when you first put it on. That's probably my favorite mask of the whole kit. This is the brand new Banisher. It's so awesome because this cap right here actually has a fill line. So you can fill this cap with alcohol to sanitize it, and you don't have to like place it in a little jar or anything. It's super convenient, and it won't spill all around or anything. This one is actually a stamp instead of it being a roller. They found that last time the needles were actually going in at like an angle on the skin, so it could create a little bit of scarring, like track scarring, but this way, none of that's gonna happen. It's super easy to get around acne like this. The new Banisher has titanium needles that are covered in 24 karat gold, which really helps promote collagen, and it also helps fight bacteria so that you're not spreading bacteria while you're making the micro wounds in the skin. Then when you're ready, you can go in with the brand new Banisher 2.0. You wanna use this once a week, and make sure you're doing it at night before you go to sleep so that you can like wait 8 hours before putting makeup on. So this is super easy to use. You wanna make sure to sanitize it. All you do is pour alcohol into the cap to the fill line, and then screw the cap back on and wait for 5 minutes. And then after that, you take it off and let it dry for a couple minutes so that you're not putting like straight alcohol on your skin. And then you can go in with the Banisher. So I go in on my cheek because that's like my main area. I do have a few spots other places, but this area is my main concern. So all you do for this one, since it's like a stamp, you just press it into the skin lightly, twist it 90 degrees, press it in again, and then you repeat that 4 to 5 times. So you wanna do each area 4 to 5 times so that you really create those little micro wounds, but make sure you're twisting it every single time, so you're not getting in the exact same spot the 4 to 5 times. And so basically all you do is repeat that step every single place that you have acne scars. Make sure you are not doing this into acne because you don't want to spread any bacteria or anything of the existing acne. And then once you're done with this, make sure to fill the line back up with some alcohol to sanitize it and wait for 5 minutes for it to sanitize. Then the main important thing for this video is to put on the Banish oil after you use the Banisher. This vitamin C serum is really what's gonna help penetrate the skin and get those acne scars lightened and brightened. So make sure you're using that because this is the main ingredient. So all I do is put a few drops into my hand and then pat it onto the skin. I don't really like to rub or anything. I just like to pat because, you know, you did make those little micro wounds. One of my favorite parts is the vitamin C beauty elixir. This just feels so refreshing. It's in a spray bottle and you just spray it all over your face and just let it, you know, air dry as well. When I'm not using the Banisher, so like every other day of the week, I like to use the Banish oil and the vitamin C beauty elixir in the morning during my skincare routine. So I'll put on moisturizer and then I'll put on the Banish oil and then I'll put on the vitamin C beauty elixir. Also, your face might be a little bit red when you are using the Banisher because you're making those little micro wounds, but it's really not bad and it'll go away in a couple hours. I really don't think the Banisher hurts at all. It just like feels like little tiny pricks in your face. So I love all these products personally, and I think they are really, really amazing. I think if you have struggled with acne scars, hyperpigmentation, fine line wrinkles, all that kind of stuff, these products are known to work and help with that. So I highly recommend using that. I do have a discount code for you guys, EmilyF, to get $5 off 50. You can use that code on any of the Banish Acne Scars products. It doesn't just have to be the starter kit. It's just $5 off $50 or more. I hope you guys have liked this video. If you're someone who has struggled with acne or acne scars, then please give this a try. I really think it will work for you. Here again are my previous before and after photos. I haven't been using this new one for long enough to share with you, you know, the results of this, but I will make sure to share results in multiple weeks from now on my Instagram for you guys. So I'm really excited to be on this journey, and I hope you guys will join me. It would really mean a lot to me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.